Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Honor 90. Now this is a great mid-range Android phone. You can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one starts at 449 euros, which roughly translates to 493 bucks. Now this one comes in a couple of different colors. You got emerald green, midnight black, and diamond silver. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. For the display, you got a 6.7-inch quad curved floating AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1200 by 2664. Now that's 435 for the PPI Patrol. You got HDR10 Plus up to 1600 nits brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. For the processor, you get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 Accelerated Edition with the Adreno 644 GPU. Now what does that mean in English? That's mid-range specs, bro. Mid-range specs. Now you got 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, 256 or 512 gigs of storage, no micro SD card slot for expandable memory. Now it's running Android 13 with Magic OS 7.1 skin on top. You got a 5,000 milliamp battery that features 66 watt fast charge. That means you can charge this phone from 0 to 45% in 15 minutes. For the cameras, on the rear you got a triple setup. So you got a 200 megapixel wide angle lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now you can shoot video at 4K 30 frames per second. On the front, you got a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and you can also shoot video at 4K 30 frames per second. Now you're getting Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, always on display, face unlock, and an on-screen fingerprint sensor. Alright, so all of that for under 500 bucks. What's missing? There's no IP rating, so it's not officially water resistant, no wireless charge, no expandable memory, no dual speakers, and no headphone jack. Alright, so let's unbox it and see what it is. Honor 90. Like I said, this is a great mid-range Android phone. Okay, nice white box, y'all know I like that. Giggity. Inside, this is going to be a device. Now this is all about thinness and lightness. You're going to see a lot of curves on this, okay? Curved display, curved back panel. Beautiful. Inside, you got your SIM ejection tool. Now you do get a nice case. Gel skin. Alright, shoes, you want to inspect that for quality. This is going to be USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable and your 66 watt fast charging brick in the box. Samsung, Google, Apple, pay attention. Charger in the box. Alright, here's your phone. Okay, the Honor 90. Now look at the beauty of this. Okay, now it does have the plastic frame. There's your triple camera setup on the rear. Power button. Let's go see if we got any juice. Okay, power this up. Volume up and down. On the bottom, there's your speaker grill, USB Type-C charging slot. There's your SIM tray. On the front, got a little cutout for your 50 megapixel camera. Simple and straightforward. Now let's go ahead and get a little wipe down so I can get the full effect. Bang, here it is. Now, of course, I got to do the smell test on this one. Smells like savings. All right, so I'm going to pause the video, put all my information in, and then we'll walk through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, just to give you an idea of how thin and light this phone is, let's check the weight. So we're going to set the scale to grams. Now remember, this is a 6.7-inch display. This one weighs in at 185 grams. Now just for comparison, same 6.7-inch display on an iPhone. This is 252 grams. So if you like thin and lightweight phones, you're going to love this one. Now let's talk about the build quality. This is one of the thinnest and lightest Android phones you're going to find. And it looks beautiful. You got the frosted panel on the back, the quad curved floating AMOLED panel on the front, curves everywhere. And Honor says this phone is inspired by luxury jewelry. Beautiful. Now, of course, there's a couple of different ways you can open up the device. You can swipe up, put in your pad and your pin. Next, you got your on-screen fingerprint sensor, which works flawlessly. We'll do 3 in a row. One more. There it is. And of course, you got face unlock. Now watch how fast this works. Just lift up the phone, look at it, pops right open. I'll do one more. This time I'm not going to look at it. And watch, as soon as I look at it, pops right open. excellent biometrics. Now it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 Accelerated Edition, so you're going to get excellent performance, basically an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 7 Generation 1. It's running Android 13 with Magic OS 7.1 skin. So all my Android 13 widgets. Now this is not going to be a full in-depth review, but there's some settings I want to show you. So let's run through those real quick. Okay, so let's go to more connections. You got NFC. Okay, you can link to your Windows. You got Android Auto, VPN, and of course, your private DNS. Now for home screen and wallpaper, a bunch of different always-on displays to choose from. Now this is one of my favorites that y'all seen on the Magic. Okay, I love that one. Bunch of different magazine unlocks, wallpapers, icons. Okay, you can change your lock screen signature. Next, let's go to display and brightness. Now this is very important. There's a few settings I want to show you. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the settings, but there's one important feature that I wanted to talk about. Eye comfort and sleep. Now, this phone does feature the circadian night display. That automatically adjusts screen color temperature based on your body rhythm to help prepare better night's sleep. When enabled, the screen color will become warmer. Now, you also have dynamic dimming. Smartly adjust the screen brightness to ease eye strain and improve eye health. But most importantly, this phone has 3,840 Hz ultra high frequency PWM dimming. What does that mean in English? PWM, pulse width modulation. That feature rapidly turns the backlights of the pixels on and off super fast, giving you the supreme eye comfort. Now, the higher the frequency, the more it can do it per second. Now, just for argument's sake, the iPhone has 480 Hz. This is 3,840 Hz ultra high frequency PWM dimming. So if you like scrolling in the middle of the night, you're going to get great eye comfort. Now let's test out this beautiful 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display. Now remember, you're getting HDR10, 1600 nits brightness, excellent viewing angles, one bottom firing speaker, definitely loud enough to get the job done. But it looks amazing. Let's keep it moving. All right, so let's try a little gaming. Of course, I got Asphalt 9 queued up. Here we go. Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 Accelerated Edition. You're going to get good performance with this. Let's see if I can do something fancy. Okay, look, there it is. Let me take it to the ramp. Hold up. I'm a little rusty, y'all. Here we go. Watch the landing. Okay. No hiccups, no lag. Little boost right there. Finish it off in style. There it is. All right, now, like I said, this speaker is definitely loud enough to get the job done. Gaming, no issues at all. All right, so now let's take a look at the camera. Let's go through the different shooting modes. You got aperture, which you can change. You got night mode, wide angle, all the way up to 10 times zoom. You got portrait mode, wide or standard. You got photos, wide angle, all the way up to 10 times zoom. Video, wide angle, all the way up to 6 times zoom. You got multi-video, front and back, and you got more. So you got pro mode, slow motion, panorama, HDR photo, HDR video, time lapse, stickers, super macro, high resolution, solo cut, story, and scanned documents. Now take a look at these test pictures and videos for yourself. All right, so now let's do the RDA test, regular daily activities. Now you just spent almost $500 on a mid-range Android phone. Let's see how it works in the real world. Okay, so you wake up in the morning, you don't have to touch your phone, always on display. So I can see the time, date, my battery percentage. Now when I want to unlock the phone, I don't have to press anything, just pick it up and look at it, bang, opens right up. Now the first thing I like to do is check the weather, 77 degrees, extra hot in New York City. Now we swipe over, here's your Google homepage. So we can see all the latest stories. Okay, some catch-up drama going on. Okay, let's see what's going down. Let's see new shark stories. Okay, Sennheiser got some new headphones coming out. Okay, Mac OS, weightlifting tips. Okay, Superman clip from 1978. That was one of my movies right there. Street Fighter 6. Okay, so all your Google homepage features. Exit out of that. Next, let's do a little shopping. Take it over to Amazon. Look how fast the website opens up. Now, if I want to, I could do floating windows. Okay. And if we want to, we can move that right to the side. Bang, just like that. Let's open up Facebook. Now I could go to Facebook. And if I want to, I could do the same thing. We'll open that up as a floating window. Okay, now if you want to, you could enlarge this. There it is, just like that. But we'll leave it as a floating window. Put it to the side. Now check this out. We got two floating windows right there. Next, let's do a little work. Okay, so let's take it over to emails. Now I still got my floating windows on the side. If I want to, reply to some emails. Thanks. Okay, hit send. Okay, that's how your email is going to look. Okay, all your recently used apps. We can exit out of all those if we want. And again, you can take it right back to Facebook. Open this up and chill on Facebook. All right, now he got zeked. My man got zeked right there. Do y'all say that? We should call like getting zeked. All right, that was me for Mook's birthday. What was that, 1 year ago? Okay. That's a nice looking dog right there. Here's how your Facebook is going to look. Extra smooth. Okay, 120 hertz. That scrolling speed is immaculate. We'll exit out of that. Keep it moving. Y'all already seen gaming. Let's take it over to YouTube. All right, see what's going down on YouTube. Okay, so say I want to watch a YouTube video. I'll turn the volume down. I can exit out of that. We do have picture-in-picture. Okay, so I can do all my scrolling while my YouTube video is playing. Exit out of that. Take it over to TikTok. I'm going to try to make this quick, and I'm going to try to keep it nice and clean. Okay, here's how your TikTok is going to look. Okay. Super Mario stuff. I like that. My man Tracks. Okay. Exit out of that. And we'll do one more. Let's take it over to Instagram. Okay. Now the little baby photo is going viral right now. A little zesty. It is what it is. Mercedes-Benz. Okay. Here's how your Instagram is going to look. Real nice. Oh, somebody got busted with the fake watch. It is what it is. Okay. RDA, regular daily activities. Okay, so this is a mid-range Android phone, but it performs just like a flagship. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Honor 90 a major go. This is one of the thinnest and lightest Android phones. It looks beautiful. The battery life is excellent. You're getting fast charge, flagship level performance, a great camera, great display. You got a full eye comfort suite. You're getting 2 years of updates. And most importantly, the price. Under $500, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Anyway, this is the Honor 90. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. Special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture you rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.